Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Coming to the topic, we'll check out negative roles who gave tough competition to lead actors and entertained all the audience. So let's check it out. Kicha Sudeep. He's one of the popular actor in Kannada cinema. He made his Tollywood debut with Eega in a negative role. He impressed everyone and dominated the lead roles with his badass performance. Arvind Swamy. He is a popular romantic hero in 1990s. He started his second innings with the film Tani Oruvan and acted the same role in Telugu remake Dhruva. He dominated the lead roles in this film with his deadliest villainism. Bobby Simha. He is one of the finest actors in South India. He became super sensation with his badass performance in film Jigar Tanda. He was the main asset of this film's success. Vivek Oberoi. He is one of the best actors in Bollywood. He dominated the lead roles with his negative performances in films Shootout at Lokhandwala, Krish, Lucifer and Rakta Charitra 2. Of all the negative roles that he played, his role as Maya is very special to movie lovers. Saif Ali Khan. He is one of the finest actors in Bollywood. He gave a deadliest performance in Omkara film. Also, he succeeded in Tanhaji with his evil character. Ashutosh Rana. He is one of the finest actors in Indian cinema. His negative roles in Dushman, Sangharsh are the most scariest and badass roles ever played. His roles in these films will be remembered for a long time. Rana Daggubati. He became one of the baddest villains in the history of Indian cinema with the film Bahubali. He gave really a tough competition to lead actor Prabhas. In earlier films, Gopchand completely dominated the lead actors with his badass villainism in films Jayam, Nijam, Varsham. Though he is a hero, his villain roles loved by everyone. After a long time, he impressed everyone with his deadliest negative role in film Gautam Nanda. Sanjay Dutt. He is one of the finest actors in Bollywood. His negative role in Agnipath will be remembered for many years, thus the impact he created. Jagapati Babu. He made a big comeback with his negative role in film Legend. He gave a tough competition to lead actors in films Legend, Rangasthalam and Aravinda Sameta Veera Raghava. Danny. He is one of the legendary villains in Bollywood cinema. However, his negative role as Khancha Cheena in Agnipath 1990 film made a separate benchmark in Bollywood cinema. Prakash Raj. He is one of the versatile actors in Indian cinema. He did many roles throughout his film career and he gave a tough competition to the lead actors with his negative roles in films Okkadu and Singham. Shah Rukh Khan. He is the biggest star hero in India, but during his early career, he played the negative roles in films Dar, Bazigar and impressed everyone. Later, he even appeared in negative shades in films Dawn and Dawn 2. Negative roles played by SRK loved by most of the movie lovers. Kamal Haasan. He is one of the gifted actors in Indian cinema. Well, his negative role in Alavandan or Abhay is one of the iconic and the most badass character in Tamil cinema. There are also some comparisons made with the Joker 2019 role with the Nandu role in Alavandan. Everyone knows that he is always way ahead of time. Whatever, Nandu role is very popular and iconic for Tamil cinema lovers. Surya. He is one of the versatile actors in Indian cinema. Even though he is a big star in Tamil cinema, he gave an outstanding evil performance as Atreya in 24 film. He gave a stunning performance in negative role, and the role Atreya will be remembered for a long time. So that's all guys. Please do subscribe and click on notification icon for more videos. Take care.